Good morning, students. I hope all of you will be fine. Here, today I am going to teach you about the marketing mix. So, you are aware every business concern, it has certain objectives, and to achieve those objectives the business enterprise has to prepare its marketing plan, and if the marketing plan is to be prepared, it involves distribution concerning to the products which are produced. Then when the distribution is there, the products which are required to be produced, distribution is concerned to that, and the price which is to be charged for the product, all these things which are concerned to marketing of a product. So, all these are called here elements of marketing, and it is also called as marketing mix. Means every business concern which is going to produce the goods, they need to price the products, they need to send the products in the market, they need to propagate the products, means promote the products. So, all these are forming the part of marketing mix. Here, all these are required to be planned properly, and that helps in marketing of products. So, here concerned to that you have to learn. First you have to understand what is marketing mix, actually what is meaning of marketing mix. So, you can understand here the needs and wants of the customers are required to be satisfied, and when the needs and wants of customers are to be satisfied, then every business organization is supposed to develop the appropriate marketing mix. Means without preparation of marketing mix, the product cannot be produced, product cannot be brought to the market, product cannot be priced properly, product cannot be informed to the customers. So, that is why all these are called here elements, and all these are required to be analyzed and interpreted, and based on that all these basic elements are required to be utilized in marketing. And here, if all these are the important elements of the marketing, and that is why these are called here marketing mix. So, marketing mix involve four elements. These are known as product, price, place and promotion. So, when we are talking about the product, a product, you are understanding that anything which is tangible or intangible, which is produce and which is offered for sale. It's called product. When we are talking about the price, you know, any product which is produced, the certain costs are incurred on production of that product. So that product is to be sold in the market for certain price. So a price determination of price or deciding the price for a product is very important task, because if the product is too high, then also product will not be preferred by customers, and if it is too low, then the organization will have to suffer loss. So that's why the price is needed to be considered carefully. Then next one is place. Place, you know, where the goods are produced, and from there where the goods are needed to be brought for consumption. So that is called place. So place mix is necessary. Under place mix, you are understanding it is very important just to preserve the product, to maintain the quality of the product, and to store the product near to the market. So for that purpose, you know, warehousing facilities are needed, means of transportation is required, and just the middlemen are there, their services are needed. So all they are forming the part of place mix. And the next one is, that is called here promotion. Promotion, you are understanding, in today's market it is very tough task to sell any product without providing proper information to the customers. So place mix is concerned to making goods. This promotion mix concerned to providing knowledge and information to the customers regarding the product which is produced. So this way all these are the important elements when we are talking about the marketing mix. So marketing mix is said it is combination of these four elements. What do you mean by marketing mix? The reply of that, you can say marketing mix is the combination of four elements like product, price, and place and promotion. So combination of all these four elements of marketing is called marketing mix. Here the four elements, as I have already said, these are called product, price, distribution system, or place mix, or you can say that is next one is promotion mix. So all these activities satisfy the need of an organization's target market, and at the same time achieves the marketing objectives. What is said here? It is said here, if all these four P's are properly understood by any business organization, and if it is properly analyzed and all these activities are performed properly, means analysis of all these four P's are done. The purpose of doing this analysis and performing these activities, the main purpose behind that is to satisfy the marketing objective of a business concern, as well as to satisfy the need of target customers. So through this only the marketing objectives of a business concern is satisfied. Marketing mix represents the total marketing program of an enterprise. The different customers, groups, and differ in their income, education. You are understanding, the customers groups are there, various groups of customers are there, their income, their education, their habit, their taste, their choice, okay, So all their preferences, all these are different. So if they respond to the same marketing mix in different ways. If their taste, choice and all their requirements are different from one another, then their response towards the marketing mix is also different. That is also different. So this way the marketing mix is needed to be designed in such a way that the purpose of the target market and target customers are easily satisfied. As the need of the customers changes, marketing mix have to be changed from time to time. Means if the customer's requirement is changing, the marketing mix is needed to be changed. Means some modifications are required. So that is done according to the changing taste, choice and buying habits, preference of the customers. Okay. So if the time to time it is needed to be changed, you can say that marketing is a dynamic concept or dynamic process. Means regularly the changes are needed to be made according to changing environment, changing situations. This way, an appropriate marketing mix is helpful to the enterprise to meet the present and the future needs of an identified market. Means future and present and future needs of the customers are required to be satisfied just to exist in the market. That's why it is said that marketing mix is a very important and it is needed to be prepared. Its importance is identified. Certain reasons are there behind that. You can say that marketing mix is important. So first one you can say, first reason is that it is deciding, keeping in view the needs and desire of target group of customers, and therefore it helps the business firm in increasing sales and profit. What is first reason why the marketing is important? You can say marketing mix is important because it is prepared keeping in view the taste, needs and preference of present and future customers, and if their preferences are kept in mind, means always the target groups of customers are kept in mind, and then it is prepared. It is helpful to a business firm in increasing its sales and profit. Second reason is there behind that, marketing mix always helps in maintaining a balance between various elements which are interrelated. So therefore marketing mix represents an integrated approach of marketing. What is said here? It is said that marketing mix ensures maintenance of balance between various elements of marketing mix. Since all these elements are interrelated, therefore marketing mix represents the integrated approach of marketing. The next reason is there behind the value of marketing mix. It is serving as a link between business firm and its customers, and this way it helps in purchasing it helps in pursuing the customers oriented approach. The next marketing mix is change with the changes in the requirements of the customers. So it helps in maintaining an equilibrium between business form and its marketing environment. So these are the points. Because of that only marketing is important, and after this means I think you are able to understand what is meaning of marketing, what is definition of meaning of marketing. You can understand every business concern is required to prepare a marketing plan, and in marketing plan it has to keep in view all the elements of marketing mix, like scanning of all these, like product, what is to be produced, how much is to be produced, whether single product is to be produced or range of products are to be produced. So all these are analysis is done, and then the marketing plan is prepared concerned to the products, then place, then promotion. So all these elements, total marketing mix is based on these 4 elements, and these are called product, price, place and promotion. So it is defined as marketing mix is combination of 4 P's, means when all these elements of marketing mix are prepared properly, and the analysis and scanning of these 4 P's are done, all these elements are interrelated, and this way all these are necessarily means connected to one another, and that's why the approach of marketing is called integrated approach. So that you are understanding, and along with that the regions I have already said that for these regions the marketing mix is important. Like first one, as I have already said, it is prepared keeping in view the needs and desire of the target customer group of customers, and this way it is helpful in increasing profit, sales and profit. Second, I have already said that it is maintaining a balance between the various elements of the marketing, and all these elements are interrelated, and therefore he said that marketing mix represents a integrated approach. And the next one is, it is serving as a link between business organization and its customer. So it is helpful in persuading the customers oriented marketing. And the last one is, since marketing mix changes with the change in the requirement of customers, so it is helping in maintaining an equilibrium between the business form and its market environment. So marketing mix is helping a business organization just to maintain equilibrium between the business form and its marketing environment.